Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This front door card is a bit tricky, so let's go step by step. First we need to remove the plastic cover what is behind the Phillips screw. Now coming to the hardest thing and the tricky thing, we need plastic trim tools. We need to start from the top, just popping up, and make sure I will show you this little plastic here is sit down there and just popping up. Maybe the first time is not this much easy, but need to start from the top. Okay, then need the Phillips screwdriver again. And the second screw is on the bottom. Okay, and now we need the smaller trim tools, or the smaller hook. We need to press in this plastic. Is this and easy to come off. Okay, now we need to take off the window switch. Let's start from the front. Unplug the electric wires, and then we have a other hidden Phillips screw what we need to remove before try to take off the door card. Alright, all screw is removed. Now we need to remove first the small plastic in the corner. Let's start from where is a rubber. Just make sure don't scratch the door. Only one clip holding, easy to remove. And then from here where you can hold it, just pull it hard. Looks like this, and unhug. Okay, now we remove the white and the green cable, and we are done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.